Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I'm here to share what I received from my partner for the fall tag swap over on a Facebook group page. And I had already filmed this once, and here are all the little um, this was in the bag along with the tag, and it has all these beautiful this is interesting. I've never seen that leaf. Pumpkins and die cuts and little leaves. I'm going to add this to my collection of stuff. And she also has, here's this one says Happy Thanksgiving. So this was all in the bag with the tag. So my partner is Sandy McClay. And here's her IG and her YouTube channel. If you guys are interested to follow along. Look how beautiful this tag is. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love all the fibers, all the fall fibers and ribbon. I love this ribbon. Oh my gosh, Sandy, I love this. Thank you. I love the plaid in the background and the same plaid on the back of the card. It's so, it feels warm, because fall is so cold. Well, it gets chilly, it gets cooler, and, the changing of the weather always gets me. Sometimes I catch a cold, and, because you get so cold. And so here at the top, she has a little squirrel. She has some leaves. And then there's a music note that it says Thanksgiving, and I want to see what it's called. Thanksgiving and something. And then she has this pumpkin. I think it's advertisement, Velvet Rose brand. And then she has this vintage little girl with a pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's adorable. Wonder where you got this image. It's adorable. And it says Happy Days, and it has some bling, and here's some dimensional acorns, and some more bling here, and bling in the background, and another acorn. It is just simply adorable. I love this tag. Thank you so much, Sandy. Oh, I just love this. It's so beautiful. So I'll have the link down below to her channel and to the Facebook group. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.